Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing shorties again. As you can see here, I'm showing you that I already have my rubber base gel that I got from Bling Girl, and I already have put it on my fingernails. It has helped me a lot to have rubber base gel underneath, whether it's this yellow one or the clear one. It just helps me when I file down my nails because I don't soak them off. It just helps with knowing where to stop filing or drilling down my nails. So yeah, that was that. I'm going to be doing shorties once again. I was in my shorty season around this time. I did these nails in, I think, early August, after the shorties that I posted around in September. And also this is one of the last few videos where I'm going to be doing a voiceover because, child, I am tired of these voiceovers. And I am sorry if it's annoying you that I am complaining a lot about voiceovers, but this is the last you'll hear about that. Also, by now you would have watched all my Halloween videos. I am actually editing this in September, so I will make sure that most of my Halloween nails I speak in the video, because then it's less work for me. But anyway, I have here a picture from Pinterest and I will be answering these questions. Please feel free to answer the questions so that in the comment section below, so that I also know what kind of person you are. So I have a few pictures though, just in case we run out of questions, but this is a shorter video, so I hope we do not run out of questions. But if we do, I have more pictures. I am prepared. So the first question is, are you stubborn or are you easygoing? I would say I am stubborn. I would say that because I like my own routine. So I like to do what I like to do. I don't like anyone coming into my life and messing up my schedule. And I think that's why it's a bit hard for me to let other people in my life, because that means I have to accommodate you. I have to work around seeing you a lot and stuff. And I find that the people that I give my time to and I do that for, I'm like, child, if you're not gonna appreciate the fact that I'm giving you my time and I'm making time for you, time to see you and all that, and you're not gonna appreciate that, you don't know how much I actually don't do that, because my life right now revolves around me. I have learned to do that this year. I feel like this year has been such a pivotal year for me. For once in my life, I decided to do what I wanted to do, even though it implicated a lot of risk and a lot of losses and stuff. So I went for it because I was like, what do I have to lose at this point? I have done everything that everyone else around me wants me to do, and I haven't been happy. So let me go for what I want and let's see how that works out, But yeah, so are you an early bird or... I'm just trying to close the door. Sorry for the echo, you guys. My door keeps banging because of the open window, so I had to open it rather than close it. Are you an early bird or are you a night owl? I am an early bird. I think I've answered that in one of the previous videos. I go to sleep early, I wake up early, and I function better in the AMs because not a lot of people are awake. I don't get a lot of distractions. I don't get a lot of people texting me. Usually it's my mom. She also is an early bird, but just me saying hi or whatever, but I don't have a lot of distractions are in the AM, so I am more productive around that time. Are you organized or are you messy? Oh, I'm very organized, and I'm proud to say that. No matter how tired I am, when something is not right, I would have to clean it up. Like, I'm just that, I don't know if I could call it OCD, but I get bothered when things are not where they are supposed to be. So yeah, I'm just like that. I feel like there are days where maybe I would leave something where it isn't supposed to be, or where I leave my room a bit messy. And by messy, I mean maybe my books are lying all over or whatever. And when I come back from, attending class or writing an exam or whatever, no matter how tired I am, child, I'm going to clean up that place before I go to bed, because I'm going to dream about me cleaning up that place and it's going to bother me. So I am an organized person. Are you sensitive or are you tough? I'm actually really sensitive, and it's so funny that I get mistaken for being tough, But the people who know me, like my close friends, they know how sensitive I am. I am quite a sensitive person. And I think the whole being a Scorpio thing has led people to think that I am a tough, heartless human being. But I'm really such a baby. I'm a cry baby, and I would rather do that. As much as I don't like doing it in public, I do that a lot. I do that a lot. I haven't really cried a lot this year. It's so crazy. I think I've just gotten to a point where nothing shocks me. A lot has been happening this year. A lot of things that would have made me cry back then didn't really make me cry this year. I feel like this year I've been so strong. Also because I have, like I said, for once in my life, I have been doing what I want to do, no matter how tough it is. And I think that has made me strong enough to handle myself. Maybe that's why I've been a crybaby in the past. I would go through tough times, because of things that I didn't even want to go through or didn't want to do in the first place. And maybe that's why I was such a big crybaby. But I am a very sensitive person. I may look tough, but I'm not. I really am not. I am a girl and I am human. So just, are you indecisive or are you decisive? I don't like saying I'm indecisive, but I feel like I am sometimes. But this year, I think that has changed. We grow. I have been I feel like for the most part I'm more, impulsive. Like I'd rather do something right now quickly before I change my mind, because I know how indecisive I can be. So I don't know at this point. Should I say I'm indecisive? I think I am undecisive, but I also don't want to put that upon myself. Like, I don't know if you guys have noticed, like, I don't like saying things that are negative towards myself, because I feel like I manifest them, because the power of the tongue, but yeah. Anyway, looking at the video, you guys, I don't know if you guys remember me mentioning how much I love applying acrylic over my French sheet, because it's just so satisfying for me to file over that acrylic, and then seeing how crisp my French lines are. I really love filing my nails when I'm doing Frenchies and they look this messy, because it's just so satisfying. Who else gets that feeling? If you do, please leave a comment down below. And also, if you're still watching this far, please leave a bouquet of flowers to show me that you're listening and you're actually watching and you did not skip to the end of the video to see the end result. I appreciate you if you do that. A bouquet of flowers, please, please, please. Anyway, are you motivated or are you lazy? I mean, I'm human. Sometimes I have my lazy days, but for the most part, I am very motivated. I am very driven. I do get up and I do what I need to do when I gotta do what I gotta do, But I do have my lazy days. I would say, my lazy days versus my motivation days, it would be probably let's use a week, 1 out of 7 days I would be lazy. So yeah, today is one of those lazy days for me, because I should be studying, but here I am editing all 7 videos that I had that were unedited that need voiceovers. It is still September. I am still doing voiceovers for videos that I shot in July, August and stuff. So today is one of my lazy days, and it's lazy because, like I said, I should be studying, but I would rather edit these videos than study. I'll probably study tomorrow or something. But this is what I do when I feel like I don't like the module. Like, I'm just like, I'll find everything else to do but to study until I don't have anything to do, and then I'm forced to study. But I have to, because I need to pass. I need to progress. You know how it is. It's a struggle. Positive stresses, though. I would rather have these kind of stresses than the stresses that I had when I was in corporate. Trust me, I've experienced a lot. I have experienced a lot in corporate, and I'm still young. I'm not even 30 yet, but child. Anyway, that was another derail. Are you open-minded or are you closed-minded? I would like to think of myself as open-minded, but I also feel like for a person who is very organized and doesn't like change much, I like change when I incorporate it. I don't like change that will not benefit me. I don't know if That makes sense. That's like also going back to the, the are you organized or are you messy question. I'm organized and I do not like, being inconvenienced or having to change or move around some of my things to accommodate the next person, especially because I've done that a lot in my life, and I'm just at a place where I'm like, I would rather do what I want to do and screw everyone else. Honestly, not in a bad way, just I need to put myself first for once so I can also feel seen, because I've been seeing other people but not myself, and I don't like that. So yeah, I would like to say I'm open-minded because I am open to try new things, but I also like to think that I'm closed-minded because I'm just like, I want to focus on what I need to focus on. So I don't know. I would lean towards being open-minded rather than closed-minded. I think so. Are you idealistic or realistic? Okay, I think I am realistic for sure. Yes, I may dream about, good things happening in life, but I also have to factor in what could happen. Like, be realistic about things, have realistic dreams. I don't want to be having wishful dreams that are just really out of reach. My realistic dreams are big and they scare me, and sometimes they do feel like they could be a little bit idealistic, but rather that than being super idealistic, like literally, because the bigger my dreams are, the more scarier they are, the more I feel like I need to work hard and make sure that I get there, because it's possible. If it's possible for other people, it's possible for me. And the only competition I have is the person I see in the mirror. The person I was yesterday is my only competition. I need to make sure that every day I wake up, I am much better than who I was yesterday. But anyway, that's another me going on a rant. Not a rant, but a whole motivational speaking, tangent. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the voiceover and the video. Don't forget to leave your comments of the questions in the comment section down below. I would like to see your answers. Right, this is how the nails look in the end. I'm gonna go in with this Wendy Beauty cuticle oil. I thought I should give that cuticle oil from Shein a break because I've been using it non-stop, and I got to a point where I actually forgot that I had other cuticle oils. I actually love it, crazy enough. It's nothing like over the top, like it doesn't have any special scent or whatever, but I just like how it doesn't really leave your fingernails looking oily or feeling oily. But this is how these nails look. What do you think about these nails? Please leave a comment down in the comment section to let me know what you think about these nails. I'm just gonna wipe that. Maybe it'll make it a little bit more shinier. I don't know. I think we did something there, if I do say so myself. But yeah, if you think I could have improved on these nails, please let me know. I'm actually starting to like short nails on myself. I think it's because my undernails are grown, so I don't have to stick my nails all the way down there and then they don't look square. So not too bad. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down in the comment section to let me know. If you've been watching this far, please leave an orange heart to show me that you've watched this far. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.